In this segment, we will go over some basic operations for your Mimio panel. One is that it is important to power off your board, if not every day, at least every couple days or once a week. To do so, you can hold the power button down in the lower right. And if you hold it down for more than a few seconds, you will get this confirmation to shut down. If you are just touching the power button, it will put the panel to sleep and then wake it back up when you either touch the screen or touch the power button. So it is important to have that distinction between powering on and just putting the board to sleep. A second thing about basic operations as a review is that there are several ways to choose your inputs. So your inputs include your document camera or your computer if you are using wired connection, or if you're using the C cord out of the front, you can easily connect a student Chromebook. To do that, you can either swipe up from the bottom of the board and you will get these options for the different inputs. You can get the same screen by touching your toolbar on the left or right hand side and choosing menu, which is down here in the tools. That will again bring up the same set of options. And the third way is using the remote. On the remote, you can use the input button. That will bring this up. Then you can use the arrows to select your input. Notice that there are some faint little squares framing the different inputs. If you use the arrow button, you can arrow across and then hit enter to select your choice. Last, as far as basic operations, is that you can change the background on your Mimio panel. So to do that, you're going to touch and hold anywhere on the screen that doesn't have a tool, and you will get this option for wallpapers. I'm going to choose wallpapers, and then there are about a dozen choices down below that you can select from. Once you choose the one you like, go ahead and say set wallpaper. And now you have a beautiful new background for your Mimio panel.